Hey YouTube, today's video I just want to quickly talk about white noise. So this machine here, it's an air freshener, so it does more than just make white noise. It freshens the air, but I'd like to say really quickly that by having white noise, it can buffer other noises, because I live on a busy street, so, that just makes it not as choppy. It kind of buffers out the noise, so it makes it a little bit more relaxing. And yeah, that's the benefit of white noise. Just have some smooth background noise, and then it kind of buffers out choppier noise. And there's Buddy. Until next time, YouTube. Bye. Buddy. Say goodbye. Buddy says bye.